Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We're here on our Chewy account, going ahead and be cleaning our maintenance area. We do this quarterly, but you can see there's some oil stains here. This is really good. This right here, we really want to get this up really well. I wanted to show you some of the stains. That way you can see the before and after. All right, like I said, we do this quarterly. This one hasn't been done yet. So this is the first time. Depending on how long these stains been down, they might not fully come up, but they will get brighter and lighter in color and look a lot better than what they did before. So stay tuned so we can go ahead and we're gonna prep the area, move the chairs, and get to it. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We are finished here with the cleaning, the maintenance area at least. Look at these tiles. There was darkness all around there. It was dark, it was like grayish brown, that's all up. Like I did say, this stain wouldn't come up here, oil stain, but a lot of the other oil stains came up. Like I said, you got to get these cleaned every 6 months periodically. It's been a year since we've been here. It's been over 6 months. But also this gets a lot of wear and tear with this, guys. There was oil stains all in there. Those came up really good. Oil stains back here, they came up really well. I mean, this floor looks great. Even the tiles are more vibrant, it brings back the color. All right, stay tuned for the next one. Heading to the next meeting area or room.